We are here, we are here, we are here on this amazing day. Okay, everyone, this is Cam Jones, FX Daily Analysis, and we are marking up Cgemy. We are on the 12-month time frame. Price action last candle to the right-hand side is a bullish green candle. Inside of consolidation with the second last candle, third to last candle, low area. We do have price action overall. Higher highs, price action overall, lower lows, midpoint, also adding second level highs, third level highs, and fourth level highs. Price action on the 12-month time frame is reading at 37.16. The price work is way up. It's just headed up a little bit to that resistance line at 37.33. If price breaks that resistance line at 37.33, it's headed to the next level at 43.00. And before tagging that area, it can tag the midpoint at 40.10. If price action drops down from the current area, it can head down to the next support line at 31.78 before tagging that midpoint at 34.55. Also, let's add another area right above the price action right resistance line, nearing the numbers of 38.89. And adding one more right below price, right between the next support line at 35.76. So let's take a look at what's going on. So this market pushes up from this bullish green candle. It's coming from area support. Why? At the low, we did receive a first candle being a bullish green candle, and the market spiked up. So if you think about the market's coming down for a bearish red candle for that first leg, we have that second leg, third leg, fourth leg. We already at the double bottom. Okay, double bottom, retest 1, retest 2, retest. We're going to see if that market's going to push up for that third time. Overall, the market is reading as a first, second, third, fourth break. Retest with the second last candle is still trying to push and break out from that overall double bottom and retest. If price drops down, it's coming from the second last candle, third last candle, which identified side-by-side candles, bearish red, dropped down. So price action did drop down to that fourth level highs, and created some momentum off that area because it still could be pushing up. But if it had the reversal, it's coming from the two spikes up at the high, so it will be identified as the third last candle will be the first leg, second last candle will be the second leg. So we already have a double top, so that's going to read as an M pattern as we walk down the time frame. Market broke with the drop of the second last candle, came back to retest second level highs with the price action. If it doesn't break and push it up, price action can drop down from that double top and retest. But so far, price action in second last candle, price action second, third last candle is in consolidation. Price action is sitting within those candles at the low area of that support. So it's on the bottom half of the second last candle and the third last candle. So we're waiting to see what's happening. So it's a tight, small consolidation until we really receive the breakout to the top of that high, and price will be at the top of the overall resistance of structure. Headed down to the 6-month time frame. So price action on the 6-month time frame is reading as a bullish green candle. Second last candles is a doji cross, bearish red. So what's happening in that area, if this market does push up, we can see we do have the break. That's the retest. The market's trying to push up further. Price second last candle is being a bearish red doji, so we are looking for that market to break above that doji. Anything within that doji to the top side of that wick or that bottom side is consolidation. So as that market's consolidating, and if that market drops down, as we said before, third last candle, fourth last candle will create that double top. market spiked down, second last candle is a retest, and price action walking its way sideways within that second last candle. If it follows up with the bearish red candle, or this active candle reverses, we'll see that market coming from that double top and retest once again we talked about. 3-month time frame, price action on the 3-month time frame is reading as a bullish green candle, still trying to break second level high. So we are looking for that break and retest. Where the market's coming from, at that midpoint area, we did receive a pattern. What pattern did we receive? That double bottom, which created the retest for the second and third last candle of the market. So we do have that first, second, third, fourth. Market broke, came back to retest the previous side of that W, and we're looking for that market to push and break off to the next following level. But market just stopped at second level high, so we are looking for to see if that market's going to identify a break and retest as we walk down the time frame, or a bullish green candle to push that market up further. Monthly time frame, price action, bullish green candle is consolidating within a few candles, primarily the price second, third, 6th, 7th, 8th, the last candle of the market. So we're looking for that market to break out those candles. You can add extra 2 candles being the 4th and 5th, but primarily the candles I just read is that area consolidation, as we can see, which creates that we did find that double bottom on that opposite side, spike down to low, first, second, third, fourth, double bottom, retest, seeing if the market's going to break and push off out of there. If not, it's coming from the resistance, looking like we did receive it as a double top. Why? Because we look at red and green to the high, first, second, third, fourth, retest one, retest, see if that market's going to push down. And just within that area, we can see that double top for that first, second, third, fourth. So it's double tops and double tops that can push that market down. So you have a double top, a double retest, which can drop that market. But we do know the last few candles in the market is in consolidation. So we're waiting for the breakout to the upside or to the bottom side. Price action on the weekly time frame, last candle to the right hand side, reading as a bullish green candle. It did spike the high, came back to retest, and still try to push up. Where is it coming from? The low. So it's patterns inside patterns. We're going to talk about everything that we see. Just at price, we are looking for that market to break and retest to push that market up. Where is it coming from? Red and green down to low for that first, second, third, fourth retest. Looking for that market to push up once, retest, push up the second time. There's also another pattern. If you add the left side, it looks more like a left shoulder, a double head, a single right shoulder, and market pushing up. We're looking for the break and retest coming from the what? Double top and a retest, overall double bottom and a retest, or it can read as a head and shoulders pattern, or overall triple bottom and a retest. That's what we're looking for. We're looking for the break and the retest to see if that market's going to push up. Walking down to the daily time frame, price action on the daily time frame, market's getting very choppy, going to fill in the blanks, trace the lines. Price action, daily time frame, bullish green candle, still looking for the market to break. It didn't go off the second last candle, but it's hanging around that zone area. So we're going to walk down the time frame to see what's going on. But before we do, it's coming from a low. So red and green down to that low. We do have that first, second, third, fourth, retest one, retest two, retest three. Now we look for the retest. Don't know how far it's going to go to push up further. It can just be a bullish green candle or push and break out, retest, then push up, or it can just retest that midpoint within that area. So let's add that now and then talk about it as we walk down the time frame. So we add a midpoint here. We can see that that second last candle is a what? Is a retest. So that market did spike up with a ghost candles, came back to retest with the second last candle, market pushed up. So we do have that break and retest. Now, is it going to retest that midpoint within that area and then push up, or is it going to push up, break out, retest the top? So we're looking to see what's going on in that area. Walking down to the 4-hour time frame. So now we're on a 4. Adding the zone on the white SR line, going a little bit above, going a little bit below the SR line. So let's take a look at what's happening. So filling in the blanks, market did spike that high multiple times. We've got to figure out what's happening at price. We do receive the overall first, second, third, fourth, retest one, retest two, retest, and we're going to see if that market's going to drop down for that third time. And if so, market's coming from that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 pushes to the top. Most of the time, 5 pushes to the top is the maximum you'll see for support and resistance before that market drops down. Sometimes you'll follow up with a retest, but sometimes it doesn't. So we're looking to see if that market's going to push down from this area, or it's going to break, retest, and break through that zone and work its way up further. Please study, review Forex pattern cheat sheet, breakout, retest strategy images. Okay, guys, Cgemy.